Good girl. Let's see what Jared's doing. What's Jared doing, huh? Let's see what Jared's doing. We're down here on the farm. Got my trusted dog Scout with me. There's Jared. He's using the mower now. We just brush hogged that. We know where the rocks are and stuff. So he's mowing it now. The bow range is good. We got to move that trailer and that trailer so we can mow there, but if you can see the flags, which I don't know if you can or not, this is the bow range. There's Scout, that's my dog. And there's that. And we set up, if you look, the bow hangers are sitting right there beside that trailer. That's where we set up and shoot. And we can get 80 yards. Let me walk back here and I'll show you. Okay, right there is the bow hangers. We moved them out of the way so we could cut. But we stand right about here, and you got 20 yards, 30 yards, 40 yards, 50 yards, 60 yards. You can get all the way up to 80 yards. Out there where that tree's at, past that Triceratops target, you can get 80, 90 yards, no problem. Now the thing is, if you overshoot the target, that's a holler on the other side of that area where the tree is. It's flat there. I wish Jared was up there mowing, but he's already mowed that. But there's a holler on the other side of that. So if you overshoot your target, you're somewhere over there in that holler. But this is the bow range. There's my camper. Jared's side by side with that brush hog. I mean, that brush hog has been great. But there's my camper that Jared gave me. My good friend Mark Gray gave that to Jared. Him and his, I think it was his brother-in-law, gave that to Jared. When Jared got his new 2006 Wildwood, he gave that to me. I have no place to keep it, so we have to keep it here on the farm. But this is our bow range, and Jared was just back there. I wish you could have seen him. But this is where we practice shooting our bows. We've even shot rifles here. Because if you sat down on my shooting bench you got here, about where that tree's at, I mean, you're not going to get any bullets going across that hollow. So here comes Jared now. I think he's done mowing over there. He's getting some final stuff here. So great evening after turkey hunting. Be out here helping him on the farm. We got to move this trailer so we can cut the grass. It's great. Appreciate you watching J&J True Outdoor Adventures. Please like, comment, subscribe, share our videos. And as always, we'll see you in the woods. Thanks for watching.